Hi everyone, welcome to the Game Level channel. Today I want to show you how you can restore old right-click context menu in Windows 11. Well, first let's check the right-click context menu in Windows 11. Right-click context menu in Windows 11 is like this by default. You have to click on Show More Options to see the old context menu. Well, to directly display the old context menu, press the Windows logo and R keys. Type Regedit and click OK. Click on HKey_current_user. Click on Software. Click on Classes. Click on CLSID. You can also copy this text to access here and paste it in this section. Press Enter. Note that I have written these texts for you in the description section. Right-click in this section and click on Key from the new section. Copy this text. Right-click on New Key Number 1 and select Rename. Click on Paste. Right-click on it again and click on Key from the new section. Copy this text. Right-click on New Key Number 1 and select Rename. Click on Paste. Double-click on Default. Make sure value data is empty. Click on OK. Close the window. Restart the computer. Well, after restarting the computer, let's check the context menu. As you can see, we accessed the old context menu directly. If you want to return the menu to the default mode, press the Windows logo and R keys again. Type Regedit and click OK. Delete this key. Click on Yes. Close the window. Restart the computer. I hope this video was useful to you. If you wish, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click on the bell, you will receive a notification as soon as a new video of me is released. By clicking like, you can help more people see this video. Thanks for watching this video.